We're going for a walk, man. Come on. Come on, Coop. Let's go for a walk. We're going into the forbidden jungle, where flying monkeys and unicorns eat you. I'm in my pajamas. So, and there's Cooper. Don't go over there because you sink in mud and it goes up to your knees. It didn't really go up to my knees, though. It went like halfway to my knee, but it almost went on my knees. And we're walking. We should probably be quiet, though, because we don't want flying monkeys and unicorns to eat us. Look at Cooper. Cooper, Cooper. Cooper, Cooper. Go eat a monkey and a unicorn. Find yourself a llama burrito. Ow. Bam, 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 bam. Go, go. Did you hear that? It sounded like a monkey. Hear it again. Caw-caw! Come on, Coop. Look at this thing. It's so pretty. Oh, there's a pencil right there. When it's filled with water, it's really pretty. There's still water there. Let's see if we can find a better view of it. Cooper's scratching himself. He's making funny noises. What was that? Caw-caw! Look at it. We need like a bridge or something right here. Because there's water. And the water can kill us. Because it could have floating particles of death, I guess. There's a bucket. See, Cooper just walked right through it. Who knows what's going to happen to him now? Can you see it better? No. That sucks. Oh. I'm getting away from here, man. So many freaking mosquitoes I just heard by my ear. And I'm not going to get a disease. Come on, Coop. I can't go over there anyways because that's the neighbor's yard. This is our walk. It wasn't that long because we're heading home now. I broke a stick. See that? I broke it. You like my makeup? It wasn't that long because I forgot that... Oh, I just slipped in mud. I forgot that if you go too far that way, you'll reach your neighbor's yard. Well, actually, I knew that, but... Like, oh, I just got poked in the ear with a stick. I knew that, but, like, I thought it was further away than that. Guess not. Oh well. There's Cooper. Where's he going? Are you gonna get a flying monkey for us? Huh, Coop? You gonna get a flying monkey for us? There's a TV right there. And a piece of wood. With a blue thing that's behind it. There's our trash. And there's my car. And there's where I live. And there's where family lives. Not in the car. In the house. Yep. That's it. I guess. told you I was going for a walk. You didn't believe me. Lame. Bye. Ugh.